Good morning, all of you. Today we are continuing our chapter bar and pie diagram. We have completed all 5 types of bar diagram. Now we are moving to pie or circular diagrams. The questions of pie or circular diagrams can be asked in 2 ways. First, when percentage are given, and second, when values are given. When percentage are given, then we have to convert those percentage into degree. We all know that in a circle there is 360 degree. Now, to convert those percentage into degree, we have to multiply those percentage by 360 so that we can calculate our degree, and from that degrees we have to make pie diagram. When percentage are given, there are only 2 steps. First step, by multiply 360 we will find degree, and then from those degrees we have to make pie diagram. Second, when values are given. When values are given, one more step will be there. Firstly, we have to convert those values into percentage. How we calculate percentage from that values is particular value upon total value into 100. If there are 5 values, then we have to add those 5 values. Then for the first value, we have to find first value divided by total value into 100. For the second value divided by total value into 100. Like this we have to calculate. We will solve all types of questions which are there in pie diagram. There are 2 types of questions. First, when percentage are given, and second, when values are given. So these are the steps. When values are given, we have to convert those values into percentage. Then we have to convert those percentage into degree by multiplying by 360, because in a circle there is 360 degree is there. Then we have to make pie diagram using those values. So these are the steps which we have to follow in those 2 types of questions. Now I am taking one example of both these methods. First, when percentage are given. When percentage are given, then we have to convert those percentage into degree. Then we have to make the circular diagram or pie diagram. See the example. Item of expenditure is given and percentage of income spent is given. Item of expenditures are food, clothing, housing, fuel and light, and others. Percentage of income spent are 65, 15, 12, 5 and 3. These are the percentage. Now what we have to do, we have to convert those percentage into degree. How we convert? First percentage is 65. So now what we have to do, we have to calculate 65% of 360. You all know how to calculate percentage. 360 into percentage 65 upon 100. So we will find 234 degree. Now next, 15 percentage. So 360 into 15 upon 100. So we will find 54 degree. Next, 12%, 360 into 12 by 100, 43.2 degree. Next, 5, 360 into 5 upon 100, 18 degree. Next is 3, 360 into 3 by 100, that is 10.8 degree. Now what we have to do, now we have to make a pie chart using those degrees. So how to solve it? Firstly, you have to make a circle like this. Then you have to make a straight line like this. Now first degree is 234 degree. So now you have to make a 234 degree from this. Now you all know that in that only 180 degree is there. So now what we have to do, we can solve it by two methods. First is we have to make a full line, a rough line downside, then remaining portion. You all know that straight line is 180 degree. Now what we have to do, now 234 degree minus 180 degree, that is 54 degree. So now we have to make a diagram of 54 degree from downside. So this is your 54 degree. Okay, so now we have to connect these lines, these points. So this is what 234 degree. You can solve it by second method also. What is the second method? You all know that there is 360 degree in a circle. Now you have to make 234 degree from this side. Okay, so now what we can do is, you can make 360 minus 234. 360 minus 234, that is 126 degree from reverse side. You will find the same line. Okay, you can solve it by either method. If the degree is more than 180 degree, then only. Otherwise what we have to do, that if suppose first angle is only 54 degree, then you have to put it like this and then make it on 54. That is for example. Okay, next you have to put this on this line, and then second degree is 54 degree. So now you have to mark on, then you can join it. Okay, next is 43.2 degree. Now it is not possible to make a degree of 43.2, so you can round off it. 43.2 means 43. And next is 18 degree. And last one will come automatically, that is 10.8, or you can say 11 degree. So this is how you have to make a pie diagram. 234 degree first, second is 54 degree, next is 43.2 degree, next 18 degree, and next 10.8 degree. You can write the name also. Food, clothing, housing, fuel and light, and last one is others. So this is your pie diagram when percentage are given. And second type of example is in which values are given. See this example. Type of food, number of people, percentage of people we have to calculate, then we have to convert it into degree. So number one step is when values are given, we have to convert those values into percentage. In this question, two columns are given, type of food and number of people. You have to convert those values into percentage. First one is North Indian, 150 people. So percentage of people are 150 upon 500 in 200. Next one is 100 upon 500 in 200. You can solve this percentage of people by value upon total value. First value is 150 and total value is 500. So percentage is 150 upon 500 in 200, that is 30%. Next 100 upon 500 in 200, that is 20%. Next 125 upon 500 in 200, that is 25%. Next 75 upon 500 in 200, that is 15%. And last 50 upon 500 in 200, that is 10%. Now we have to convert those percentage into values. How can we convert those percentage into degree? We have to multiply it by 360, because in the circle there is 360 degree. 360 into 30%, that is 108 degree. Next 360 into 20%, that is 72 degree. Next 360 into 25%, that is 90 degree. Next 360 into 15%, that is 54 degree. And last 360 into 10%, that is 36 degree. Now we have to make a pie diagram using those degrees. So how can we make? See this. We have to make a single line. Then first degree is 108 degree. So now from here you have to start 108 degree. You can join these 2 points. Next one is 72 degree. Next is 90 degree. You all know about 90 degree, a straight line. Next is 54 degree. So you can write those degrees: 108 degree, 72 degree, 90 degree, 54 degree, and 36 degree. Now you can write the name also: North Indian, South Indian, Chinese, Italian, and Mexican. Italian and Mexican. So this is how you have to solve this type of question. Two types of questions. First, when percentage are given directly, and second, when values are given. Thank you.